Say hello, everybody. Say Penelope's chowing down. Not that she needs to. She could afford to lose a little weight there. Belly dragging the ground. She still refuses to take a break. That's like us humans. We don't stop even though we know we should. So, girlfriend, I try to tell you, you're putting on some weight there. You refuse to listen. But you're adorable with your little chunky monkey self. Good morning, handsome boy. That's Mama's handsome boy. Say hi there. Say, this is one of my favorites, too. He's such a beautiful boy, I call him handsome. Look at those colors. Say, my name is Handsome. Handsome. And, of course, I'm Bootsy Boo. Say, I'm Boots. Because I have boots with the furs. Say, I boots with the furs. We hatched him here. He was born to us. And he's one of my favorites. Definitely my favorite rooster of all the roosters. And we have quite a few. I think the last count was 13 or 14 maybe. So, and that's another beautiful boy. I am another big beautiful boy. And they have the rosy cones, but their colors are exquisite. We had actually hatched some and purchased some on the side of the road, a bunch of little mixed chickens. Not knowing exactly what they were when we got them. We didn't sex them or anything. And brought them home, just let them grow up. I can't even talk. And found out that they were roosters, and then we decided just to go ahead and keep them. They run around here and have themselves a blast. A lot of people ask what we need so many roosters for. Same reason that we need so many cats and everything else. They're a lot of fun. Hey boy, can you at least let the water fill up? I see you drinking out of it. Look. Just filled these and cleaned them, washed them out, scrubbed them out. Look at this. That's what happens when you have ducks around. They make everything nasty. It's a very nasty, slippery kind of day out in this enclosure, because not only do you have ducks making a mess, but also Penelope. She loves this mud. Hey boy, you coming here? Hi, Dingy. You coming here? Dingy. I call him Dingy. I'm glad you're in here. I don't want you to get eaten like your brother. A fox got his brother. We had him for the last 5 years, and something finally got a hold to him, and we're presuming a fox because we have little cameras set up all over, and we didn't see the fox getting him, but we noticed him missing, and another Muscovy duck that decided to come live here from the neighbors. And it was agreed upon to let him stay here, but he didn't make it very long either. About a year and a half. So, we started off with 7 of these Muscovy babies, and they eventually just come up missing. Unfortunately, and that's why we are trying our hardest to have enough money to make new enclosures so that we can protect them as best we can. But the problem is they can fly. And I hate to take away their flight feathers because it pretty much leaves them defenseless. They can't fly if they need to in an emergency situation. So I do not like to do that. But unfortunately, it's one or the other. Either cut them and keep them from flying to keep them out of danger, or leave them on there so they can fly away and then something else get them. So it's a decision that we're going to have to make, but we may go ahead and just cut his flight feathers because I don't want to lose him. We've been having him a while. Love my little ducks. Please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Give you a last little shot of these little boogers here and their cuteness. This is so disgusting out here.